किस लिए? What for? What for? तुम्हारा क्या मतलब है? What do you mean? What do you mean? मैं कल वहां जा रही हूं। I'm going there tomorrow. I'm going there tomorrow. कौन बता सकता है कल क्या होगा? Who could tell what will happen tomorrow? Who could tell what will happen tomorrow? मुझे नहीं पता कि मुझे ऐसा करना चाहिए था या नहीं। I'm not sure whether I should have done that. I'm not sure whether I should have done that. क्या आपको कुछ चाहिए था? Did you want something? Did you want something? माफ कीजिए अगर मैंने बीच में बोला। I'm sorry if I interrupted. I'm sorry if I interrupted. मुझे कुछ सवाल पूछने हैं, क्या मैं पूछ सकती हूँ? I have a couple of questions to ask. May I? I have a couple of questions to ask. May I? हाँ बिल्कुल, अगर आपको लगता है कि मेरा जवाब आपकी मदद कर सकता है। Yes, of course, if you think my answer may help you. Yes, of course, if you think my answer may help you. चलो कॉफी पीते हैं। Let's have some coffee. Let's have some coffee. मैं कॉफी नहीं पीती। I don't drink coffee. I don't drink coffee. पर मैं आपके साथ चाय पीऊंगी। But I'll have tea with you. But I'll have tea with you. मुझे पता है आप कितने व्यस्त हैं। I know how busy you are. I know how busy you are. आने के लिए आपको बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। Thank you so very much for coming. Thank you so very much for coming. शायद आप उसे समझाने की कोशिश कर सकते हैं। Maybe you could try and explain to her. Maybe you could try and explain to her. वो हमेशा मदद नहीं करता। That doesn't always help. That doesn't always help. आपको किसी तरह उसे परेशानी से बचाना चाहिए। You must somehow protect her from trouble. You must somehow protect her from trouble. मैं तुम्हारी बात समझ गया। I got you. I got you. मैं उसे समझा दूंगा। I'll explain it to her. I'll explain it to her. यह बहुत अच्छा होगा। That would be wonderful. That would be wonderful. मुझे यह करने में खुशी होगी। It would be my pleasure. It would be my pleasure. मैं वो करना चाहती थी। I wanted to do that. I wanted to do that. किसी तरह से मेरी हिम्मत नहीं हुई। Somehow I didn't dare. Somehow I didn't dare. कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं कि आप शर्मीले हैं? Is it that you're shy? Is it that you're shy? आप मुझे ये क्यों बता रहे हो? Why are you telling me this? Why are you telling me this? मैं आपसे ये नहीं पूछने वाली थी। I wasn't going to ask you about that. I wasn't going to ask you about that. मुझे यकीन है सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा। I'm sure everything will be okay. I'm sure everything will be okay. तो चिंता मत करो। So don't worry. So don't worry. मैं थोड़ा आराम करने जा रही हूँ। I'm going to go get some rest. I'm going to go get some rest. क्या तुमने आवाज सुना? Did you notice the noise? Did you notice the noise? यह मेरी पसंदीदा जगह है। This is my favorite place. This is my favorite place. मैं अक्सर यहाँ आती हूँ। I come here often. I come here often. क्या आप मुझे समझा सकते हैं क्या हो रहा है? Can you explain to me what's going on? Can you explain to me what's going on? मुझे तुम्हें यह समझाना पड़ेगा। I'll have to explain it to you. I'll have to explain it to you. मेरा ये मतलब नहीं था। I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. मैं कब तक तुम्हारा इंतजार करूं? How long should I wait for you? How long should I wait for you? मैं वहां नहीं जाना चाहती। I don't want to go there. I don't want to go there. मेरे पास आपके साथ रहने का समय नहीं है। I don't have time to stay with you. I don't have time to stay with you. तुम्हें मेरे साथ रहने की जरूरत नहीं है। You don't need to stay with me. You don't need to stay with me. आप जो करना चाहते हो करो। Do whatever you want to do. Do whatever you want to do. मुझे नहीं लगता कि वह इस चीज से खुश होगी. I don't think she'll be happy about this. I don't think she'll be happy about this. हम उसे बिल्कुल परेशान नहीं करते. We don't bother her at all. We don't bother her at all. मैं आपका इंतजार कर रही हूँ. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. क्या आप मेरे साथ आना चाहोगे? Would you like to come with me? Would you like to come with me? मैं कल की हमारी बातचीत को नहीं भूल सकता. I can't forget the conversation that we had yesterday. I can't forget the conversation that we had yesterday. आप किस बारे में बात कर रहे हो? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? मैं तुमसे सिर्फ मेरी बात सुनने के लिए कह रहा हूँ. I'm only asking you to listen to me. I'm only asking you to listen to me. चलो बैठो, मैं तुम्हें सब कुछ समझाता हूँ. Let's sit down. I'll explain everything to you. Let's sit down. I'll explain everything to you. मुझे नहीं पता क्या बात है. I don't know what's the matter. I don't know what's the matter. उसने क्या कहा? What did she say? What did she say? उसके साथ जरूर कुछ हुआ होगा. Something must have happened to her. Something must have happened to her. आप कभी घर पर क्यों नहीं होते? Why is that you are never home? Why is that you are never home? तुम कैसी हो? How are you feeling? How are you feeling? शायद तुम्हें डॉक्टर को बुलाना चाहिए. Maybe you should call a doctor. Maybe you should call a doctor. मुझे नहीं पता वह कहाँ है. I don't know where he is. I don't know where he is. वह बहुत पहले निकल गया है, इसलिए वह जल्दी पहुंच जाएगा. He left long time ago, so he'll be there soon. He left a long time ago, so he'll be there soon. मैं तुम्हें बाद में कॉल करूंगी. I'll give you a call later. I'll give you a call later.